Good morning friends, class 10, chapter number 8, exercise 8.2. In the previous video, we have discussed about value of trigonometric ratio for some specific angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now in the exercise 8.2, we use the value of trigonometric ratio for these specific angles and evaluate. So start exercise 8.2. First question, evaluate, and we just note down its second part. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. To start the part, first you discuss about that. If we multiply two trigonometric ratio to same trigonometric ratio, then we just note down the whole square. Suppose we multiply sin theta multiply sin theta, then we just note down sin theta whole square, and we just note down it sin square theta, and sin theta square is wrong. So if there is square, then it's mean the whole square. So just now start its second part. To put the value of tan 45, what is the value of tan 45? Obviously 1. So 1 square. What is the value of cos 30 degree? The value of cos 30 degree is equal to value of sin 60 degree. So it is under root 3 by 2. And what is the value of sin 60 degree? It is the under root 3 upon 2. 2 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3 by 4. These two values are equal, so cancel out. So net answer is 2. So it's in mean second part. I hope you understood. Just note down. Okay students, now start its fourth part. In the fourth part, numerator is sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree, and the denominator is sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Now we put the value of trigonometric ratio. Value of sin 30 degree. The value of sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Value of tan 45 degree is 1, and we just note down it 1 upon 1. Value of cosec 60 degree. Value of cosec 60 degree is just reciprocal of sin 60 degree, and value of sin 60 degree is root 3 upon 2, so its value is 2 upon under root 3. Value of sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree is reciprocal of cos 30 degree, and cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2, so its value also 2 by root 3. Plus cos 60 degree. Value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, and value of cot 45 degree. It is a reciprocal of tan 45 degree, and the value of tan 45 degree is 1, so its value is also 1. Now we simplify. After putting the value of trigonometric ratio, now we calculate. There are three fractions in a numerator, so firstly we take their LCM, and their LCM is 2 under root 3. 2 under root 3 divided by 2, we obtained root 3 multiply by root 3 by 1. The value is root 3. 2 root 3 divided by 1. So it is also 2 root 3. 2 root 3 divided by root 3, 2. And 2 multiply 2, 4. In the denominator also we take LCM, and their LCM also 2 under root 3. 2 under root 3 divided by root 3, we obtain 2. 2 to the 4. 2 root 3 divided by 2, we obtain root 3. Root 3 multiply 1, root 3. And 2 root 3 divided by 1, we obtain 2 root 3. 2 root 3 multiply 1, yes, obviously 2 root 3. Now simplify numerator. Root 3 plus root 2 root 3. These are like term. So 3 under root 3 minus 4, and in the denominator 2 root 3. Okay, now root 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 3. So we just note down 3 under root 3 plus 4 upon 2 under root 3. There are two fractions as numerator and denominator, so it's multiply by this and this multiply by this. So it is 2 under root 3 in a bracket 3 under root 3 minus 4, 2 under root 3 in a bracket 3 under root 3 plus 4. 2 under root 3 cancel out, and the value we obtained 3 under root 3 minus 4 and upon 3 under root 3 plus 4. Now according to the class 9th, we rationalize the denominator and multiply the conjugate of denominator in numerator and denominator both. So we multiply 3 under root 3 minus 4 in numerator and denominator both. तो 3 अंडर रूट 3 माइनस 4 इसकी मल्टीप्लाई हमने न्यूमरेटर में भी करी एज वेल एज डिनोमिनेटर ऑल्सो. 3 root 3 minus 4 multiply 3 root 3 minus 4, the value we obtained is 3 under root 3 minus 4 whole square, and in the denominator we multiply 3 root 3 plus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4, a plus b into a minus b. It's mean 3 under root 3 whole square minus 4 square. 3 under root 3 minus 4 whole square. We apply square of a minus b whole square, and the formula is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, and in the denominator square of 3 under root 3, 3 का square 9, root 3 का square 3, 9 3 या 27, and square of 4 is 16. Now simplify. Square of 3 under root 3 obviously 27 minus there multiply 2 3 are 6, 6 4 ja 24, 24 under root 3 plus 16, and in the denominator there is value 11. 27 plus 16 obviously 43 minus 24 under root 3, and in the denominator there is 11. So it is the solution of fourth part. I hope the part is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now we start question number 2. In the question number 2, choose the correct option and justify your choice. First part, 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So we simplify this part, and after simplify we make the option is correct. So now simplify. We put the value of tan 30 degree. The value of tan 30 degree is 1 by under root 3. In the denominator also put the value of tan 30 degree, obviously 1 by under root 3 and whole square also. 2 multiply 1 by under root 3, so it is 2 by under root 3. 1 by upon 1, square of 1 upon under root 3 is 1 upon 3. 2 upon under root 3, in the denominator 1 upon, we take 3 as a LCM, and after taking 3 as a LCM, 3 plus 1. So 2 upon under root 3, and in the denominator 4 upon 3. There are two fractions, first fraction in numerator and second fraction in denominator. So in this fraction, denominator multiply by numerator of this fraction, and denominator of this fraction multiply by numerator of this fraction. So we just note down 2 multiply 3 upon 4 multiply under root 3. So we obtain 3 upon 2 under root 3. Now To rationalize the denominator, we multiply by root 3 in numerator and denominator both. So the value we obtained 3 under root 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3, 3 से 3 cancel out, and the value we obtained under root 3 by 2. And their option is sin 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree and sin 30 degree. And we know that under root 3 upon 2 is the value of sin 60 degree. So it's mean option number A is correct. I hope the part is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now question number 3. The remaining part of question number 2 are same. Put the value of trigonometric ratio and calculate. So do yourself, and if you have any problem you can discuss with me. Question number 3. It is a very important question. In this question it is given that tan a plus b equal to under root 3. In this a plus b is a complete angle. So tan a plus b equal to under root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 upon under root 3. We have to find out a and b, and some condition also given. Angle a is greater than angle b and their sum is less than and equal to 90 degree but greater than 0 degree. So now we calculate how can we find out value of a and b. Firstly, we consider this tan a plus b is equal to under root 3. Now think in the trigonometric ratio table we have just discussed in the previous video, the value of under root 3 is equal to tan 60 degree and cot 30 degree. यानी कि जो अंडर रूट 3 वैल्यू है वो tan 60 डिग्री एंड कोट 30 डिग्री इन दोनों की रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, यानी कि इसकी वैल्यू भी अंडर रूट 3, इसकी वैल्यू भी अंडर रूट 3. So but in this question in LHS there is tan a plus b. So in this problem we discuss that tan 60 degree equal to under root 3. Note this. If in this question there is given cot, then we discuss cot 30 degree. So now put यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे we know that tan 60 degree is equal to under root 3. So we can say that tan a plus b is equal to tan 60 degree, and after comparing tan and tan, हम इनको कैंसिल आउट नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर हम कंपेयर करें कि tan ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो विद a प्लस बी एंड वही सेम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो 60 डिग्री. सो आफ्टर कंपेयरिंग वी कैन से दैट a plus b equal to 60 degree, and just note down equation number 1. Now we discuss tan a minus b. Tan a minus b is equal to 1 upon under root 3. Similarly 1 upon under root 3 is the value of tan 30 degree and cot 60 degree, but in the question we discuss tan, so we just note down tan 30 degree equal to 1 upon under root 3. It's mean we know that tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon under root 3. So tan a minus b is equal to tan 30 degree, and obviously after comparing we can say that a minus b is equal to 30 degree, and it is the equation number 2. Now in chapter number 3 we solve the pair of linear equation to two variable, in which we use elimination method, substitution method and obviously cross multiplication method. But in this year cross multiplication method is just deleted, so we use elimination method to simplify this equation. A plus b equal to 60 degree, it is the equation number 1. A minus b equal to 30 degree, it is the equation number 2. Adding both equation, b and b cancel out, 2a equal to 90 degree, and after calculation a is equal to 45 degree. Now we find out value of b. Just put value of b in equation number, value of a in equation number 1. And after calculation, what is the value of b we obtained? Yes, 15 degree. And we observe that angle A is greater than angle B, which is the condition, and sum of these two angles is 60 degree, which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So our answer is okay. I hope the question is clear. In the next video, we continue exercise 8.2 and discuss something relationship between these trigonometric ratios. So thank you very much.